Welcome to the brave monkeys of Modern Village, a tale of unity, hard work, and joy.
When the sun wakes, the forest breathes again. A new day begins in Monkey Village, full of hope and gentle laughter. Our home, once bright, now worn and silent.
Our home, once bright, now worn and silent.
It's time to rebuild our village, together, hand in hand.
They start cleaning, every hand helping, making their home shine again. Even little hands can bring big change, washing life back into their village.
Together, they gather materials, ready to rebuild their home with care and determination.
Step by step, they build new homes, each brick a promise of hope.
They bring life back to their village, planting hope in every corner.
Even the youngest hands learn the value of work and care in their village.
Step by step, the village awakens to new life, each moment a testament to their unity.
From dust and earth, they create a place for life to flourish in their village.
Together, they share the fruits of their labor, building bonds with every meal.
Together, they rebuild every corner, from homes to bridges, strengthening their village.
He watches with pride every brick, every tree, a testament to their unity. The village comes alive as everyone prepares to celebrate their hard work together.
Their hearts beat together in celebration, dancing to the rhythm of their renewed village. Their hearts beat together in celebration, dancing to the rhythm of their renewed village.
Joy fills the air as the young ones play, bringing life to their thriving village.
As the sun sets, the village glows with the promise of tomorrow.
Peace returns as night falls, wrapping the village in quiet serenity. After a day of hard work, the village rests peacefully under the gentle night sky. As the stars watch over them, the village sleeps peacefully, a home built with love and unity.